In this video, we're going to be looking at algebraic notation. Here we have x plus 3. X is a variable and we do not know the value of it. Let's say in this instance x is equal to 10. We're going to be making changes to the 10 by adding 3. The same goes for this, x minus 4. We're making changes to the variable x by subtracting 4. Let's say again that x is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Whenever we have two variables next to each other without being separated by an operation, this means we are multiplying the two variables together. The same goes for this, AB. This will be like writing A times by B. Whenever we write it, we do not need to put the multiplication. We just need to understand that they are being multiplied together. Here we have a number in front of a variable. This is called a coefficient. This tells us the quantity of the number of variables. So in this case, we have 3 y's. This would be like writing y plus y plus y. We're adding y 3 times. This can also be represented by 3 times by y. Again, because they're not being separated by an operation, it's multiplication that's going on. So the same goes for this, 2x. We have 2 x's. And we can also write this as 2 times by x. Here we have a to the power of 2. This would be like writing a times by a. Here we have a squared b. Let's focus on this. We have the two variables and they're next to each other without being separated by an operation. This means that we are multiplying this whole section here to the b. So a times by a, because we have a squared, times by b. Here we have 4ab squared. We have the coefficient, we have two variables and a square. We know that in between these we will have multiplication. However, we do not write this. This would be like saying 4 times by a times by b by b. And this is a simple one, x over y. We have said that when we have a fraction, it will be like writing division. So this is simply equal to x divided by y. Hopefully you are confident in questions on algebraic notations. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share the video.